Guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm gonna go over Team Manager. This is a very powerful feature where using this feature, you can add a team manager and the team manager has reps under it. So that way you add like 5 team managers, each one has 10 reps and you can grow your team to like 50 reps. So basically when you turn on this feature in the Manage Team tab, you'll see Sales Managers. Using this, you can add a manager. Moreover, in a rep, when you're adding a rep, you'll be able to select which manager the rep is under. Once you've added the manager correctly, you will see that in the rep dashboard on the front end of your store, when the manager logs in, the manager will see a team tab. From here, the manager can add reps. The manager can see all the reps under him, and by selecting the rep, the manager can see the orders that the rep is generating. Since this is my test store, I don't really have any orders here, but if there were live orders by my team, I would, by selecting the rep, I would see those orders here. That's for the team manager feature. Thank you.